This video shows how I installed a small inverter into my campervan. I've installed the system into the back of the seat base so it fits neatly underneath the seat. As you can see, I've cable tied the actual unit to the plastic there and fitted a 13 amp plug, which is then fitted, in a second you can see, into a CBE C-line socket. And also there's an on-off switch, which is a 12 volt switch, which has a live in, a live out, and also has an earth connection because it lights up when you switch it on. And this here is a TE Tyco mate and lock socket. I use those quite a lot because it means I can actually remove the system relatively easily and not have to cut any cables or such like. This is what it looks like from the front. You can see the switch there that lights up and socket. And this is it fitted in situ in the van.